In the future, as we can see, the excellent team from Polyva will lead the era of personalized demand for unit dose packaging. With the strong support of PVA water-soluble film manufacturing division and PVA pots packaging equipment manufacturing division, Polyva has become a practitioner of water-soluble packaging applications. Polyva is at the forefront of water-soluble packaging applications, integrating materials, equipment, and packaging expertise across borders, and going deep into specific scenarios for application, becoming a technical specifier in the field of water-soluble packaging applications. Polyva adheres to the basic concept of achieving customers, strives to understand customer demands, and realizes the growth of customer business value. We firmly believe that only concentration can create sustainability. Polyva strives to make progress, just to be loyal to our mission.